Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of December 2024 and how the price of gold can move in Jan of 2025. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen from 2 months, it is continuously in the red candles, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, when the zone breakout happened at this particular level, see, this is the zone breakout. Okay, from because it was in the zone, but if you look at the longer view, we have seen this is the price was when it was moving in this particular zone, and this level is already being tested. So chances was very high that as soon as this zone breakout happens, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, and how the gold price moves, that whenever it goes and make a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, you can see at this particular level. Okay, and then if you look at this particular trend also, you have seen it made a new high and then a fall comes. This is where we have seen a profit booking has come. Now after making a half around $2791, we have seen there is a continuous 2 months fall because profit booking has come at this level. But if you look at the high of this particular levels of the candles, it is 2759 and a low of around the next month, previous month, where the all-time high is made, $2532. That's a good volatility we have seen. But now in this particular month we have seen a less of volatility, but chances can be high that as soon as the price started sustaining above a level of $2688, we can see there will be a further rise. So keep this price in mind that once the price sustain above this level, a further upside we can see. But if it bounce back from this level, that means if it didn't sustain or it goes again back towards after touching this level, then we can see it can come again towards a level of around 2571 and then a further low if the price didn't sustain this particular low also. Okay, and but if the price sustain above a level of 2688, a further upside we can see. But if started falling below a level of 2588, then a probability of going towards 2539 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall will be there. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, this is if you go to dollar index, you will see that the dollar index now trading at a level of $108, which I've clearly explained you that if the price sustain above a level of 108, chances can be high the dollar index will move further upside. Okay, it has already made a half around 108.5, so it has touched the level of 108, so we can see a bounce back can come. But if that didn't sustain, then a further fall we can see. Suppose a bounce back can come, then it can go again towards a level of 108.5, then to a level of 109 also. And if that sustain, a further upside will be there. Okay, but if the price started falling below 108, chances can be high it will fall further down towards a level of 107.5 and then to a level of 107. Okay, and once the price moving below a level of 107, then a probability of further low will be there, and then a probability of touching 106.5 will be there. Okay, and then a level of around 106 will be there. Okay, as I see now, the what I'm saying is that when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, the dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price will go up. This is how we have seen. Okay, so but what happens sometimes, see, always try to put your SL when you start your trade. That will save your capital, and if it's in profit, try to trail the SL, so your profit will be saved. This is what you should be doing. Okay, now coming back again on the gold price, what we can see what we have seen in the gold price, that the price if sustain this particular level, chances of going towards this next resistance coming at a level of $2679. If you can see looking at this particular chart, 2679. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards 2729 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving above a level of 2729, then a probability of going towards R3, it is at a level of 2760 will be there, and once the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 2788 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside will be there. Okay, so understand, when the price keeps sustaining above level of 2622, chance of touching a level of around 2679 we can see, and from there a level of 2729, and if that sustain a level of 2768, then to a level of 2788. Okay, and then it can make a new all-time high also. So what you can do, trail your SL by around $10 to $20 if you are going as per the month chart. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see You have to understand, as soon as the price started going up this level, keep trailing your SL by $10 to $15 so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, market is uncertain, so if you think that the market will go upside and upside, no, it is not. Okay, the profit booking will come, it will move, come down, and then it is trying to go higher. This is how it will go, and similarly it will go down like this. Okay, so you have to understand, always put your SL and trail your SL. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards its next support at coming at a level of $2601. Okay, this is the support one. If the price started falling below that particular level, then it can go towards its next level of $2583. This is support 2, and once the price falling below that particular level, we can see a strong level coming at a level of $2542. Okay, this is support 3. A bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, but if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going further down we can see towards 2483. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2479. Okay, and once the price falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2443, and then a further low. I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go towards 2601, then to a level of $2583, and once the price fall below this level, we can see a strong level at a level of $2533, and there is a bounce back can come from this level, or if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2524. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $2480, and then a further downfall will be there towards a level of around $2556. Okay, and then a further fall. Okay, if the price started falling below a level of around 2533, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.